to use Camera Pro Mode on a Samsung S25 FE, first of all, go to the More options on the right side, in the right bottom corner, and you've got two modes, for the Pro for photos and the Pro for videos. So let's say we just want to take photos, so let's pick the first one. And as you can see here, first of all, we can find this option. So this is the lenses that we can use. This is the ultra wide lens, this is the main wide lens, and this one, this is the telephoto lens. And you can still zoom in or zoom out by clicking and holding one of this lens and making this gesture. So that's how it actually works. Here you can find all of those parameters that you can adjust. Now, the first one is ISO, and by the way, if you don't know how something is working, then you can just click on it and you can find this information icon. So thanks to this, you can basically find a description of every parameter. So you can just simply get used to it and basically understand how it works and what it does. So the ISO we can actually set manually from 50 to 3200, and this is the manual option, but when you click on the manual here, you can also set this automatically. We got two options for most of the parameters. Then we can find shutter speed like this, or 30 seconds, or the automatic one. Here there's the exposure compensation that we can set between -4 and +4, and this is actually the only parameter that we can only set manually. There is no automatic option for this parameter. Now we can find focus, so three different options: center, multi, and the manual. So we can manually select focus range. Here, by clicking on this information icon one more time, you can just simply get information about this function. Now the another option here, there's the white balance that we can set like this, or like this, or automatically. And right now, when you click here in the right upper corner, you can also change matrix metering with a short description. This one, for example, good for backlight subjects. And by clicking here on this button with the four dots, we can also find some other options. So for example, we can also find that flashlight or shutter delay, aspect ratio, and we can also find some other parameters like contrast, highlights, shadows, saturation, and tint. Now, when we go back over here, we can also find matrix metering, and you can also find some options over here that you can also customize up to your preferences. And if you want to take a photo, just click on the shutter.